Hi everyone. I'm in the Bearing book. We have been doing Acts chapter 15 for a long time here, so we're going to close off Acts 15 this time. The Bearing book devoted 22 pages to Acts chapter 15. This one has 12 paragraphs on verses 36 to 41. So we will read that from the Silver Sword. But just within their material, I'm not going to read too much from their material, but just to tell you that they, a few phrases, they make comparisons of Paul and Barnabas to the Watchtower's traveling overseers, special representatives of the governing body, and suggest that Paul likely became a member of the governing body. Now we can read actually the text. The text is Acts 15, 36 to 41. After some days, Paul said to Barnabas, "Let us now return and visit the brothers in every one of the cities where we proclaimed the word of Jehovah, to see how they are." So first thing you notice is that Paul is making this suggestion to Barnabas. He's not given instructions or an assignment from the governing body. Barnabas was determined to take along John, who was called Mark. Paul, however, was not in favor of taking him along with them, seeing that he had departed from them in Pamphylia and had not gone with them to the work. So again, we see no assignment from the governing body to take John, called Mark. This is independent decisions made by Paul and Barnabas, even the idea of going and doing this. Then it continues, "At this there was a sharp burst of anger, so that they separated from each other. And Barnabas took Mark along and sailed away to Cyprus. Paul selected Silas and departed after he had been entrusted by the brothers to the undeserved kindness of Jehovah. He went through Syria and Cilicia, strengthening the congregations." Again, they decide to separate. Independent decision. Nobody's assigning them. And they make the decision as to where they're going, what they're going to do. The only mention of other brothers is in verse 40, when it says, Paul selected Silas and departed after he had been entrusted by the brothers to the undeserved kindness of Jehovah, which is really Lord in the text, but we'll get to that later. But firstly, these brothers are in Antioch, because that's where we've landed. They've gone back to Antioch. And they make this decision. The brothers in Antioch were the original brothers who had been told by the Holy Spirit, "I've selected Barnabas and Paul for this missionary, the first missionary tour that they went on." So this was not an assignment from the brothers in Jerusalem. It was an assignment from the Holy Spirit, and they got the support and encouragement from the brothers they were with at the time in Antioch. So you can look at Acts chapter 13 for those details. And I'll link to something that's from a discussion of Acts 13. All right, so the second thing that I wanted to mention in this particular portion, besides them doing independent decisions, is the insertion of Jehovah 2 times in these verses from 36 to 41. Every time Jehovah is inserted where it originally said Lord, you have to think about this, that every time you do that, you lose the Lord. And if it's Christ, you lose Christ in the discussion. Paul got his assignment originally from Jesus, from his encounter with Jesus, and Jesus says he's going to be a chosen vessel. Paul tells us 3 times about his conversion and tells us that it's Jesus that gives him directions. The apostles themselves got directions directly from Jesus that they would be doing preaching work, being witnesses to what they had seen and heard. Paul tells us in Galatians, chapters 1 and 2, you might want to read those chapters. Paul tells us that he's not assigned by the apostles, and he mentions Peter, James, and John, and he states there that he's not assigned by them. So the Holy Spirit, Jesus, are in charge of the assignments, the directions. He gives those directions. I'm going to link to 2 videos this time. The first one is called "You Will Be Witnesses of Me." Jesus commanded, and Paul is called "A Chosen Vessel." And the second one is one from Ray Franz in his book, In Search of Christian Freedom. He makes the point that the organization said the Lord was making the assignments. So he assigned territory maps, publisher quotas, etc. So you might want to watch that video as well. Thanks.